They were forgotten, thrown out, left behind, but I make them matter again. I'm Jacqueline, and I turn discarded furniture into meaningful, beautiful pieces because I believe everything and everyone can be made to matter. Each piece tells a story of renewal, creativity, and second chances. I am constantly working on new creations. Expect videos from me twice a month, usually on Sundays. On this channel, you'll find DIY flips, beginner-friendly painting tutorials, creative crafts like my Busted Out Canvas series, and occasional painting time-lapse. Subscribe and join me on this creative journey where forgotten things are made to matter again. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel.